Meron silang float. Ayan, parating na. The Kalilang Akawing of General Santos City. Representing the Kalilangan Festival of Sharif Agwak, Maguindanao, is the Kalilang Akawing. Kalilang is a word that means celebration, while Kawing refers to a wedding ceremony. The ritual itself begins with a kapanuksam or inquiry, followed by the marriage proposal and the dowry. The float is highlighted by beautiful Maguindanaoan decor. Colorful decorations blown by wind merge with the sound of agongs, dabakan, and gandingan instruments to welcome dignitaries and other visitors. Once more, ladies and gentlemen, the Kalilang Akawing with the Honorable Mayor Sharif Agwak Datu Anwar Uy Ampatuan Al-Haj.
Thank you, sir, for joining us here.
And of course, the Reina is Clover M. Esteban of General Santos City. Thank you very much. Palakpakan po natin ang
Ang
float
galing.
ng General Santos City.
Thank you very much po.
Gusto ko
Rich
yung hawak.
colors talaga.
Yes.